Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change mouse double-click speed in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go to your search bar. And in your search bar, just type Control Panel. Then in Best Match, you'll find Control Panel. Just open up Control Panel. After that, just make sure View By is set to large icon. Then you need to find mouse in here. There is mouse. Just click on mouse. Then you'll get this pop-up window. In this pop-up window, make sure you're on the buttons menu. After that, you'll see double-click speed here. You can either change it to slow or change it to fast. However you want your double-click speed to be. I'm just gonna click it here, then just click on apply, click on OK. And that is basically how to change mouse double-click speed in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.